Hey guys, hope everyone's having a great day. I was just going to do an unboxing of this M18 fuel string trimmer that I had purchased. It's model number 3016-20ST is what it is. So it's just the tool only, no battery. So just going to do an unboxing of it and kind of show you what I got. And I haven't ever used one of these before, so I thought I'd give it a try. I've had Milwaukee tools as far as drills and impacts and different things like that, and I really like those. So unbox this, see how hard it is to put together, what all comes with it, and everything. So we got some instructions in the box. Got the safety guard for the blade. We've got, looks like we got the motor here and some screws and an Allen wrench and a few other different parts. So got the motor here. It's the Milwaukee fuel motor. It's where you slide the battery in the back of it. It's got the trigger here. Looks like it's an adjustable speed trigger too. So you push this on the top and it looks like it's got 3 different speeds that you can do with it. So looks pretty cool so far. And then you can add the attachments on here. There's a bunch of different ones. I only got the string trimmer. So I'm going to take that out of the box and show you what it looks like. So right here's the string trimmer part. It looks like it already comes with some line on it. And I heard these things are real easy to add line to. You don't have to take it apart like you used to with the other brands like Steel and all that. I think you can load these pretty easily. So I'm going to try that and probably make a video about it, but just wanted to show you what all came in here. See what else we can find, or if there is anything else in this box. Just dump it out. It's got the handle in there too. So it looks like that's it. This is the box that it comes in. Right here. So we'll go ahead and put this thing together. It doesn't look like it's going to be too hard. It has a few different parts to it. Get the screws out of the bag and the Allen wrench. So it comes with an Allen wrench. It's got these, looks like these probably what clamps on the handle. And then some screws and some nuts to go in. So, go ahead and put this thing together. And it looks like it's pretty simple. There's a spot that says place handle here, so I'm assuming it's probably where the handle goes. I'm sure this is probably a lot easier if you read the instructions, but I normally don't read instructions. So I'm assuming you put that on there, put the handle on top of it, put one on the bottom, and then add the, looks like the nuts go on the top of it and the screws come in from underneath. So I'm going to have to put a couple of these down and do it one at a time. We're going to do all this standing up. So it looks like you slide the nut in there. Slide the screw on the bottom. And Oh, only one side of this Allen actually lets you do anything. So I'm not sure if everybody can see, which you probably can't, maybe, but the nut goes down in there. It's fit, the hole's made just for a nut to go in, and then on the bottom side, you put in your screw, and then you just use this wrench that comes with it to tighten it down. Then you'll do the same thing with the other side. And you don't drop the stuff and let it go everywhere. I'm pretty good at that, so. And I'm doing this standing up, not with a workbench or anything, which probably should use my workbench, but I didn't think that far ahead. So. Just got that snug on there. So their handle's attached now, nice and firm. So we'll go ahead and attach the guard onto the string trimmer head. So you got the string trimmer head here. You got the guard here. The 4 smaller bolts go into these holes here. And it looks like this just goes. Alright, yeah, once you get them started, they should go pretty easily. But put all 4 of these in. Tighten it down. Then I believe we should be good to go. And I'll put this thing together and we'll see how it works. I've got a battery sitting across the garage on my bench, and we'll check it out and see how this thing runs after we get it together. I got one of them tightened. It's going to take a couple minutes to get all these things tightened down, but eventually we'll get there, and it's not too hard to assemble or anything. I don't know if you guys can see me in there or not, but get this thing tightened down and got one more to go. So I'm sure if I had a workbench I could have this thing together in probably 10 minutes or less, maybe 5 minutes, but I thought I'd stand here and do it for you guys. Alright, it's all tightened up. It's got the 4 bolts put in the bottom of it there. This is on there nice and good. It's got the string, the cutter over here for it. So, and then I think all you do is take this, slide it together, and then tighten it, I believe. So yeah, it's together. I'll grab a battery and we'll try this thing out. So yeah, the battery I have is the high outputs XC 6.0. I've got a real small yard, so I'm hoping this will work pretty good on this yard, and I don't have to go up to any bigger batteries, but just snaps right on the back. Lights are all lit up. Looks like you could do the adjustment on whatever speed you want, and then it's got a safety on the top, and then you push the trigger. Yeah, then it spins. So maybe I didn't get this thing together right. I don't know. It sounded kind of weird. Oh, yeah, I didn't. So you got to push it in a little bit further than I did. There you go. It sounds a whole lot better now. Pretty quiet. So I think it's just like a traditional weed eater. You turn it on, then hit it against the ground, and then the string comes out and gets longer as you go. So it seems like it runs real smooth. I'm going to try it for a little while, see how it does. Alright guys, I just finished up weed eating my yard for the first time with the Milwaukee Fuel string trimmer. I had the M18 XC 6.0 battery on there, and it only took about a quarter of it. It's probably closer to halfway to do my entire yard. I don't have a huge yard, but I hadn't weed eated this summer yet, or spring I guess it is, and I've already mowed 3 times, so the stuff was kind of tall, the grass and weeds and everything around the yard. And this thing worked like a champ. I really enjoyed it. It's nice and smooth. It's not loud. It's got a ton of power. So I definitely highly recommend it to anybody that's looking for a string trimmer. It's light. It's balanced really well. So I think just about anybody could use this, and just make sure you're wearing eye protection, and I mean, really don't need earplugs, but I guess you're supposed to probably wear them while you're running stuff. But I definitely wear some eye protection with it. But definitely has all the power I need to do around my yard, and I'm sure if I had even some taller brush or weeds that I could get that accomplished as well with this. So I appreciate everybody watching my review. Give me a like and a thumbs up, and leave a comment if you have any questions on it. Because I can always come back and reply to it with anything that I know or find out over the next few months. So thank you again, and have a great day.